Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Cadillac CT4 V versus the CT5 V. We'll explore how these two performance sedans from Cadillac stack up against each other. From their distinct sizes and engine capabilities to their interior comforts and driving dynamics, we'll cover all the key differences. This comparison will help you understand which V-Series model best suits your preferences for a luxury sports sedan. When it comes to power, the CT4 V boasts a 2.7-liter turbocharged engine, producing 325 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. The larger CT5 V steps up with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, offering 360 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 in a quicker 4.6 seconds. Both utilize a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Size is a significant differentiator. The CT4 V, being the more compact sedan, has a 109.3-inch wheelbase and measures 187.2 inches in length. Its trunk offers 10.7 cubic feet of cargo space. The CT5 V is larger, with a 116.0-inch wheelbase and an overall length of 194.5 inches, providing more interior room and 11.9 cubic feet of trunk volume. Both offer premium interiors with advanced technology and comfortable seating. The driving experience in both V-Series models is exceptional, featuring magnetic ride control for dynamic handling and comfort. The CT4 V feels nimble and responsive, ideal for spirited driving. The CT5 V, with its larger footprint, offers a more stable and refined ride, better suited for longer journeys. In terms of value, the CT4 V typically has a lower starting price, while the CT5 V begins around $57,000, reflecting its larger size and enhanced features. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.